how to create a perspective text in CapCut PC. So if you want to create a perspective text in CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut application, and then you need to just simply go and select a video. After selecting, you need to go with the text section. Under text, you need to click on the plus and then add a default text right here. Now adjust the text to the length of the video. Once done, you need to go with the default text right here and then enter something else. Once done, you need to just simply scroll down on the right side and then you can select a preset style. Once done, you need to again scroll down and then adjust the scale and then the opacity. And you can also go with the stroke option, and here you can just enter the stroke color. Like for example, I'll go with the color right here. And once done, you can go with the thickness and then go with the glow or shadow if you want to. And once done, you need to just come back and then go with the effects option. And from the effects, you need to search for an effect, which is Player 3. Now here you will have the Player 3 effect. You need to just download the effect right here and then go with the add, and the effect will be added. You need to just drag the effect to, and then on the right side, you will have all of these like speed, glow, size, and everything. You need to just go and adjust it however you like. Now you can just simply go and select the text, and from the text, you need to just simply go with the right side, go with texture, and then go with rotate if you want to. Like for example, I'll go with this much, and then you can select both of these clips, right click on it, and then create a compound clip. So that's it. That's how you can create a perspective text in your CapCut. You can have some more adjustments if you want to. You can go with transform and then add some keyframes to it, and that's it. That's how you can create a perspective text. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.